back the McFall farm.
Tell them who you are. Tell them your name.
Jace.
Jace what?
Jace Allen.
Jace Allen what?
McFall.
Say it all together. Jace Allen McFall.
Jace Allen McFall.
That was my grandson, Jace Allen McFall. Got to give you the welcome today. So thanks for joining us. If you're a current subscriber, we greatly appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, do us a great favor. Hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. So today, we are going to move a storage shed there behind me. We're going to get loaded on this trailer. My buddy Jace has been helping me make it happen. And we're going to get it up here best we know how. So follow us along. Let's see how we get it done.
Like this pull harder?
We can pull it harder and get it pulled up there, you think?
Yep.
Okay. Well, that's one way.
Yep.
What we did is we drilled a couple of 1-inch holes through the skids, run a piece of this 3/4 rope I had laying around the farm through the skids. I'm going to set ramps onto here, and we're going to hopefully get this thing up the ramp. So that was phase one. Right, so I'm going to get the ramp set up here at the back of the trailer, and we're going to hopefully get this up these ramps. Fingers crossed. Alright, so we got this ramp. Now we got to put this ramp on. Yep, so we got this. We got this. Hopefully get it up there. Now,
I think it's gonna work.
you think?
I think.
I hope so.
So it works. But it's on the chain.
We'll see. So the plan is to use those skids under the shed on these ramps, using that rope onto this trailer, hooked to that truck, using this little portable winch I borrowed from a friend of mine. So we will see how well this works out.
I have no idea how it's gonna work out.
You do? How's it gonna work out?
It worked.
Come here. Come here a minute. Pull that whenever I pull. You got it? Pull it that way. Nope. Well, let's do this then. Go that way. There we go. Now pull it. Pull it all the way. Keep going. Keep going. That's good right there. That's good. That's good. Whoa.
Got the chain down there.
Yeah, you got it, man.
Bet we could do this.
All right, can you hook that to that rope?
Yeah.
You know how to hook that hook through there? Just snap it over the rope. Put the rope inside of it. Got it? Push it hard. Pull the rope to you.
Nope.
Look, you got it. Hang on. Here, I'll hold the rope. Now you do it. I'll hold the rope and you get the thing. There we go. Perfect. Perfect.
Yeah. Put the shrimp
Moving
on.
a shed so easy, even a 4-year-old can do it. You 4? Really?
Yeah.
You sure? Okay. Now tell them what you're in charge of.
I'm gonna pull that shed up with the rope too on, and then with the latch on, and then I'm gonna push this button. Once the trailer comes out, we're taking it.
Okay. So you're gonna push that button, and you're gonna stop when I tell you to stop, but you're gonna go when I tell you to go, right?
Yep.
All right. You got it. All right. You ready? Go ahead.
All right.
Push it. Oh, we moved. Push it.
Oh boy. Don't go.
Is it bending it? Push it some more. Oh, okay, hold on. We gotta do something different there.
Yeah.
I'm bending the trailer, ain't I? So the boss just told me we're bending the front of the trailer. So we got to stop and reattach somewhere else. So we're gonna start over. We had some issues
Down to the dump.
bending the front bar. So we strapped it back to the trailer hitch in typical redneck engineering style. All right, you ready? Ready, button pusher? All right, let's push it. Keep going. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. All right, hold it right there. Hold it, hold, hold, hold.
Hello.
Ho, ho.
Oh no.
Ho, ho. Jace, come here. I need you to push this button. Jump up here. Me and Uncle Clinton's gonna get down there. Jump up on the trailer. This button right here. Right there, okay? When I tell you to, okay? You got which one? This one? Yep, when I tell you to. Hold on. Alright, you ready?
Yep, ready.
Alright, push it. On the count of 3. Woo. 1, 2, 3. Hold that thought. This way.
What?
Alright, you ready, Jace?
Come here. Come here, buddy.
Look what Anna's got.
Papa.
I know.
Come here.
Alright, Anna's gonna get you out the way. Alright, buddy, you ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, go!
Tap line.
Whenever you're ready. Alright, go. Keep going. Keep going. Ready? Go.
Y'all are pushing and pulling at different times.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
There you go.
Ready? Push it. 1, 2, 3. As far as it'll go. Woo! All right. Here's all my good help. And here's the rest of the help. That was a lot of fun. And that, I don't know if that's the easy way, but that is a way
Oh, you're getting
to
hot.
load a shed onto a trailer. It worked, more or less. Fortunately, at the farm, we've got the forks for the tractor. Take it right off with no problem. So the hard part's over.